Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to turn off Pinterest notification. Okay, so without further delay and wasting your time, let's get started on the video. So before that, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and help me to reach 1000 subscriber, because I don't have 1000 and due to that I am not monetized. This channel is not monetized yet, so I am sad. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. So to turn off the Pinterest notification, all you have to do is go to the Pinterest website or app and log into your account. After you log into your account, what you have to do, you have to tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, this one. From here, what you have to do, tap on this three dot on the top right corner. From here, tap on setting. From here, tap on notification. From here, you have a choice of notification you want to get. So if you want to turn off the Pinterest notification on the Pinterest, you can turn it on. Just this types of, just select and this automatically will turn off. This means it is turn it on. If you want to turn off. This is how. And if you don't want to get any emails notification from Pinterest that looks like this, and you don't want to get email, just turn it off from here. What you want, you can customize. Either we only get a save or update for board, update about boards or whatever, you can customize that. And if you don't want to any of the update, just turn off all, and it will ask turn off all and turn off all. So from here, if you don't want to get push notification from Pinterest that looks like this, and this is called push notification, you can turn it off all. You can customize, either only get turn push notification about comments or reaction, or you can turn it off all, or you can select by your preference, or you can turn it off all. This is how you turn off Pinterest notification.